These are 2,200 women trained by the Aisha Buhari Future Assured Foundation, a program designed to empower women on areas of health, education and trade to make them self-reliant. For the wife of the president, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, to train a woman is to train an entire community, the reason for the distribution of empowerment packages.
I believe that these skills you have learned will be transferred to your children, your sisters, your friends, and even your neighbors directly or indirectly by subsidizing your charges to them. I wish therefore to congratulate you on all these achievements. I hope that will translate to a better, more productive and fruitful lives.
Wife of the Kano State Governor, Hafsat Ganduje, emphasizes that women in Kano are particularly happy with the support and empowerment they are receiving from the First Lady in the last 2 years. She is also supported by the wife of the Vice President.
The people of Kano, especially the women of Kano, we are 100% loyal to our government. And I'm sure she has seen the evidence.
I rejoice with you because you can now walk tall, knowing that your hands are working and your purse will be full of money and your family will have everything that they need. I rejoice with you also because now you are an example. You are an example to other women.
Highlight of the ceremony is the flag-off of the second batch of the Aisha Buhari Skill Acquisition Exercise for Women across the 44 local government areas of the state.